What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, me and my family are going to Weeki Wachee. It's a natural spring that's 40 minutes by boat from our house. And yes, we're taking the boat. And my older sister will be joining us today with her 2 friends. And we heard this place at Weeki Wachee Hospital Hole, which we've been to several times. You can actually dive down into it. We're just gonna be snorkeling, so we're not gonna go too deep. But once you pass like a certain water level, it becomes crystal clear. So we're super excited to see that today. And we hope that we'll be able to see some manatees down there. Let's go. So we just got here to Weeki Wachee at Rogers Park.
I think this one's
No, man, it is hard to put on.
She's turning blue.
So I might be getting hypoxic. Let me know if I start turning.
No, and honestly, it's fun. It's not bad to wear.
You just gotta get it on.
Yeah, and like, yeah, that's the hard part. Is getting the wetsuit on.
Okay.
Need our snorkel.
You need all the things.
Mask.
It's
My
only
blood
72.
pressure's probably 180 over 100 right now, just from getting this thing.
Holy shit!
It gets bluer. Does it really?
Yeah, it's so cool.
All right.
It is so much fun.
I
Like,
just want to commit.
Where
fully commit.
Are you using the mouthpiece?
Yeah.
To get over there,
I
yeah.
got close to the hole.
I'm not kidding, Amanda.
You'll know.
You will know once you get down.
We're just gonna go straight down right here,
Yeah,
right? And
ready.
that's the hole.
Yeah. Ready, set, go. We were under the hole. We were just under sand. We didn't go down 1 foot and we're like over on the sand.
I can't. Okay, let's try this.
You're not gonna go in the deepest part of the hole. You're gonna go along the edge.
Stay with the
Just
rock.
stay with another rock.
Are you ready?
Kelly, just make sure. Let's take a look.
No, yeah, if we stay close, it's not bad because then you have like someone
So
next to
we're
you.
just gonna literally where we're at. We're going straight down.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that 10 feet?
Yeah. That's super cool. So we went down and it was really crystal clear. It was amazing. Oh my god.
I chickened
Honestly,
out.
her ears were hurting so. I literally could do that every day. Was it cool? Like, was it amazing?
Okay, it was super cool. I'm glad I was brave enough because there were like no fish or anything. The pressure on the ear, the only thing I
That
would
did
want
suck,
more
and-
knowledge on, just
Yeah.
to make sure you don't rupture your eardrums or anything.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. Please check out some more videos. They're all good, I swear.